What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making Southern baked beans. I love to add this to any barbecue or cookout spread, or when I'm just in the need for baked beans. Let's go ahead and get started. So first you'll need 4 slices of chopped bacon along with 1 cup of chopped onions. I'm using white onions and I'm also using my cast iron skillet here. You can use any oven safe dish you wish. Then you want to get that bacon fully cooked and drain any excess grease. Then add in 2 minced garlic cloves and stir. And then you'll need 2 28 ounces of canned baked beans. I'm using vegetarian baked beans because I'm going to add my own sauce and flavor to that, so I don't need all of that extra flavor. Then I have 1 cup of barbecue sauce, 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar or sweetener, and then I have a teaspoon of liquid smoke. If you don't like spicy baked beans, you can omit that chili powder, or you can reduce the amount from 1 tablespoon. Maybe start with a teaspoon and then taste it repeatedly. Then you're gonna bake that in a 375-degree oven for 50 to 60 minutes. And there you have it. Baked beans.